In this video, we'll be talking about deleting a t-shirt you made or created in Roblox. Let's get started. First, you need to go to roblox.com, log into your account, and then to find your t-shirts, click on Create in the top of the screen that is beside the Marketplace option. This will take you to the Roblox Creator Hub. Now on the left menu, click on Creations, that is below the Home option, and then click on Avatar Items, that is between Share Links and Development Items, and then go to Clothing. If you don't see it, you can check under Classics as well. You'll see your t-shirts over there. If you hover over a t-shirt, you will see 3 dots in the top. And if you want to delete that t-shirt, tap on the 3 dots in the top and then tap on Archive in Marketplace. There is no option to delete, but you can archive it, which will turn off the unsell switch and save the changes. Or you can go to the t-shirt and then toggle off the unsell switch and you'll be done. Currently, you cannot delete t-shirts you have made in Roblox. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.